Today, I will share with you 10 websites that will pay you every day within 24 hours. Yes, guys, the idea of earning money quickly and effortlessly from home is no longer a far-fetched dream. But guess what? It requires effort. Yes, it is not free money, oh. So whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, a parent, or you're just looking for extra income, there are many online platforms that offer flexible opportunities to earn in as little as 24 hours. Today's video will introduce you to legitimate websites that pay fast once you complete the task. These platforms actually cater to a variety of skills and interests, and making it possible for anyone to start earning. Welcome back to my channel, Betty, and let us dive in. The first one on my list is Literably. Yes, you can earn money by reading to kids. Yes, that's the name of the website, Literably. So what you need to do is to transcribe and grade children's reading records to help improve their literacy and how it works. Here is how it works. Sign up and complete a typing test, then start transcribing audio files. Get paid once your work is reviewed and approved. You can earn up to $21 to $51 per audio hour. Payment method is PayPal and is paid within 24 hours of approval. Pro tip is use transcription software for accuracy and speed. The next website on my list is Idle Empire. Guys, we are not chilling, we are not waiting here. We're just going straight to the point. In today's video, Idle Empire helps you to earn money while you relax. The website is idleempire.com. In case you're wondering, what is Idle Empire? You can earn money by completing tasks like survey, watching videos, and playing games. You can earn from $5 to $10. They pay through gift cards, Bitcoin, and probably, possibly cash. Here's my pro tip for you. Focus on high-paying surveys, high-paying tasks like surveys to maximize your earning. And you can also check out my collectibles. Yes, check out mycollectibles.com. In case you wonder what is it, sell collectible items like sports cards, Pokemon cards, and action figures. And here is how it works. Submit items for listing. The platform handles photography and shipping. You get paid once the item sells. The items, you can make up to $50, or even more. And they pay immediately. The payout is immediately after the sale is confirmed. The pro tip is this: group similar items into lots to attract more buyers. The next website on my list is clickworker.com. In case you're wondering what is it, you complete simple tasks like data entry, app testing, AI training, and surveys. You're going to earn $10 to $14 an hour, and the payment method is PayPal or bank transfer within 24 hours of approval. Here's my pro tip for you: use their mobile app for flexibility and efficiency. Number 5 is ProductTube. Yes, you get paid for video reviews, and the website is called producttube.com. And in case you're wondering what is it records short videos and they review products or shopping experiences. You can earn up to $20 to $100 per video. The payment method is through Amazon gift cards. Sometimes they give you cash, yes, as reported by people that use it. The pro tip is follow instructions carefully to avoid payment delays. The next one on my list is called TaskRabbit. Yes. In case you're wondering what is TaskRabbit, they offer services like furniture assembly, like moving assistance, like cleaning, like errands. You can make between $40 and $120 per task, depending on the location. They pay daily. Yes, so you need to build a strong profile and collect good reviews to earn, to increase your earnings. The next website on my list is clearvoice.com. Yes, clearvoice.com, and it's a freelance website where you can do writing, editing, and you can make money per word. They pay you through PayPal. Yes, and I advise that you build long-term relationships with clients for consistent income. The next website is called Discout, DSCOUT.com. And yes, in case you're wondering, you participate in research studies by sharing opinions through video or through writing. You can make from $25 to $150. The next one is Express Missions. Yes, they pay within 24 hours of approval, and I will advise that you complete your pre-screening quickly to qualify for higher paying missions. The next one on my list is usertesting.com. User testing, on these websites, you have to provide feedback on websites, on apps, on digital platforms. You can make between $5 to $20 per test, and they pay you through PayPal. Here's my pro tip: please check frequently for available tests for you to maximize your earnings. And the next one on my list is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Yes, you can earn from micro tasks. Websites like mturk.com, and you can complete tasks. Here you have to complete tasks like surveys, like data validation, like content categorization, and you can make up to $15 an hour. As for the payment method, they pay through Amazon payments, and yes, use task automation like Panda Crazy Max, yes, Panda Crazy Max, to find high paying tasks quickly. Now guys, these 10 platforms actually offer real ways to earn money fast, but they do require efforts. You can work remotely at your own pace and start seeing results quickly. Now, from all of the websites, all the platforms I've shared, which of these platforms interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. For easy access to all the links, check my YouTube or my Patreon. Yes, my Patreon membership. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one consultation with me, then you have to be a Patreon member of this channel. Yes, be a Patreon member. You can find the link in the comments. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. And just so you know, I am an advocate of, making money the easy way. So besties, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again, I tell you. So which of these methods are you planning to try out today? Have you been making money online? Have you ever made money online from the comfort of your home? Please let me know in the comments. And yes, there is also another app. This is a bonus tip for those of you that watched all the way till the end. I have a bonus tip for you guys. There is this app called Nextdoor. It is the game changer. It is the next big thing. It is replacing Facebook, in my opinion. Sorry, it's replacing Facebook ads, in my opinion. On Nextdoor, you don't need to run ads. You get free clients. You don't even need to build any kind of relationship there before you get clients. I kid you not. So, and this is not a paid promo. This is not a paid ad. I'm just in awe. I'm just wowed by how wonderful this platform is for businesses. And people, I don't know if people are really taking advantage of it, but I am utilizing it. Now, a lot of times we post, our products or services online on the streets of the internet, and we are speaking to everyone. We are speaking to everyone, you're speaking to no one. Now, Nextdoor is an app that focuses only on your local community. So it brings together people in your local community. I'll give you an example. See, if you have maybe just 100,000 people in your local community, and you're only able to get 1% of them, which is just 1,000 people. If you can convert 1,000 people to your clients, but let's even say 0.5%, just 500 people, I tell you, or even 0.01 of that into paid clients, you are in money on a monthly basis, on a regular. You are made for life. So Nextdoor, try it out and thank me later. If you have tried Nextdoor before, let me know in the comments. Let's have a chit chat. All right, till I see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love.